Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and detailed reviews of the latest gadgets and accessories. Today, we're taking a close look at the BTFO charger for Nintendo 3DS, 2DS, and DSi systems. If you're a gamer who travels often or just wants a reliable way to keep your console charged at home, this could be the solution you've been looking for. The package includes one charger for the 3DS and an adapter cable, giving you everything you need to keep your devices powered. The charger itself is made from durable ABS and iron, while the adapter cable is crafted from PVC and iron. Both are designed to withstand over 5,000 bends, so durability isn't an issue here. The lengths are practical too, with the adapter cable measuring 18 centimeters and the main charger cable at 1 meter, providing enough reach to connect to outlets in different spaces without feeling restricted. One of the standout features of this charger is its compatibility. It works with a wide range of Nintendo consoles. That means no matter which system you own, this charger should fit seamlessly. Just make sure the power supply voltage matches, as it supports an input range of AC 100 to 240 volts and outputs DC 4.6 volts, making it safe for international travel as well. In terms of design, this charger is compact and lightweight, making it easy to slip into a travel bag or even a pocket when you're on the go. The simple plug-and-play setup means you just connect the adapter to a power outlet, attach your device, and start charging. No fuss, no extra setup. If you're worried about wear and tear, the materials and construction should give you peace of mind. The combination of ABS, iron, and PVC makes it robust, yet the charger remains lightweight and portable. Whether you're at home, on a trip, or just need a backup charger, this set has you covered. Overall, this charger for 3DS, 2DS, and DSi delivers on convenience, durability, and compatibility. Its long cables, international voltage support, and lightweight design make it an excellent companion for any Nintendo handheld console owner. It's compact, reliable, and practical, whether you're at home or traveling. If you need a dependable way to keep your Nintendo devices charged without worrying about compatibility or cable wear, this charger is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review of this charger. If you enjoyed this video and want more in-depth looks at gaming accessories and gadgets, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.